Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Toyota RAV4 wiper blades. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. You'll also want a soft cloth or towel to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back down, as this could crack your windshield. Now, let's move on to removing the old blade. Now that the arm is up, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button that needs to be pressed or squeezed. Once pressed, you can slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook or pin. Hold onto the wiper arm firmly during this step to prevent it from accidentally springing back and hitting your windshield. It's a simple process once you know where to look. With the old blade removed, installing the new one is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. After installing both new wiper blades, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your car and activate the windshield wipers using some washer fluid. Observe their movement to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively without streaking. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Replacing your wiper blades regularly improves visibility and safety. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.